All right. So this whole weekend has been raining and super windy. I was just now able to find a calm spot and get on some fish. So I'm gonna try to make a decent film for you guys. Fishing for some northern pike in some reeds in about 4 feet of water. I'm using the new Storm GT 360. I don't know, it's called something like that. So that's what I'll be throwing. And yeah, let's see, try to get on some fish. Oh, we're on one. There we go. Come on now. Ooh, it seems like a pretty good one. Man, they're in shallow. Oh. There he goes. Oh my gosh, it's the smallest one ever. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Oh, wow, I thought it was actually a pretty good one. That's a little baby. Just a little baby. Here you go. Oh, the camera wasn't recording, but I thought I was hung up on a reed. Oh, this guy smoked it. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice. There he goes. Oh, a little bit better one. Nice. He smoked it so hard, I thought I was hung up on a reed. All right. Come here, bud. Okay. Okay. Here he is. And there he goes. See you, buddy. Oh, there's one. Got him. Oh yeah, there he is. Nice. Whoa. Got him right in the side of the lip. All right, come here, buddy. Where is your mama? And your daddy? Okay, okay. I'll have to retie because of you, but that's okay. Oh, there he goes. And submarine, boom. And my phone's all wet. Nice. There's one. Yep. Oh. Oh, man, I think he got off. Oh, there's one. There he is, little guy. There you are. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh. Okay, there you go. See ya, bud. All right, Let's see what this thing is. Get all the way back in there. Ooh, yeah, funny. Oh, something hit it. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him. Are you kidding me? This is insane. Oh, it's a big bass. He hit it. Oh man, there's so many of them. There's like 5 or 6. Oh my gosh. This is unreal, guys. This is unreal. This is unreal right now. There's like, oh my gosh, this bass is huge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There was like 6 or 7 chasing them. This is a big Wisconsin largemouth. Oh, yes. There he is. Look at that. Oh, what a fatty. What a fatty, man. Choked it. Wow, there's so many more bass in there, so I'm going to get this guy back. Oh, wow. There you go. There you go. Got one. Yep, there's another one. Oh, he's swimming towards the boat. Oh, it's a pike. Oh my gosh. You just never know what you're gonna get here. Man, they're just stacked up right in that corner right there. And these pike are probably going after those bass, little bass. All right, come on, buddy. Okay, there he is. And there you go. Oh, okay. Got one. Oh. Oh yeah, this brute. Oh yes. Whew. Wow. Man, they are all stacked up in there. Exactly like this. Look at that guy. Whew. Pop that out. Okay. Come on, buddy. He's ready to go. Boom. There he goes. There's one. Oh, nice. I'm not sure what it is yet. Oh. Oh, broke me off. Oh, no. No, 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 no. I think it was a pike. Oh, oh, it hit. Oh, it missed it, Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it swiped at it. Oh, there's one. I saw it hit it. Oh, man, he missed it. Did he get it? Oh, he's still on. That's how small he is. He's still on. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Come here, buddy. Don't jump. Okay, there he goes. Okay. There you go, bud. Thank you for splashing me. There we go. Nice. Another pike. Not too much size to them, but they're fun to catch. Come here, buddy. Come on, buddy. There you go. Okay, there he goes. Okay guys, as I was going along the shoreline, I saw a random smallie on her bed. Like lone wolf, so random. I'm gonna see if I can catch her. Okay. I think I got her. Come here, buddy. Oh man, these things are my favorite to catch. They got so much energy, it's unreal. Oh my gosh, look at them. Man, I may need to go smallie fishing tomorrow. I got him. Okay, this is how I'm gonna end the day. I'm gonna get her right back on her bed. But man, what a random day. Smallies, northern, and largemouth. Oh my gosh. All right, let me go back over to her bed. I'm gonna release her. There she is, right there. There she goes. Okay, so today what I was using was, oh man, this thing got beat up. A 7-foot medium heavy silverhawk. And then the reel I was using was Tournament MB. It's a speed spool by Lose. The gear ratio is, where is it? Somewhere. I think it's 6'8". Yeah, 6'8". And then the lure of choice was, what do they call these things? Storm G360 GT. I guess I would have been better off using something weedless, but you know, it did the trick. I was originally going for pike and ran into those big bass today, so that was fun. 19 and maybe 20 inch. Really random video. I was going for mosquito. But anyways, and I ran into those largemouth bass. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video. There will be more to come. Just comment what you'd like to see more of. I don't know, different footage, different fish you'd like me to fish for. And then, yeah, we'll go from there.